Okay, we are moving to the next section, that is administration, organization and management. Before we move on to the meaning, scope and nature of administration, we have to know the difference or the meaning between these three terms, that is administration, organization and management. Administration means, what is administration? Administration means it is very important for an organization to management to have a good administration. Then only their goals can be achieved as they wish or as they desire. For an organization to accomplish their goals, they have to have a good management. For that management, or in that management, people are there with good administrative power. Or what is administration? Administration means it sets the goal, or administration is the force under which this organization and management can accomplish their goals. According to William Schools, administration is the force which lays down the object for which an organization and management are to strive and the broad policies under which they are to operate. First of all, we need is an organization, then its management, and most importantly their administration or the administrative power of the management of the organization is to be very powerful so as they can accomplish their goals effectively. According to William Schools, administration is the force. Which force? At that force, it lays down the object for which an organization and management, they have an objective. Okay, they are to strive. An organization means, what is an organization? Everybody know what is an organization. An organization means it has people, materials, tools, equipments, then what? Infrastructure, that is the working space, facilities, etc. And these all factors, that is the human beings, the infrastructure, etc., they have to be in an effective manner and a systematic manner to accomplish some desired objective. That is an organization. Okay. Management comes the next. What is management? Management means it leads the organization or it guides the organization for the accomplishment of the predetermined goals. What is known as management? Management leads and guides the organization for what? For accomplishing the predetermined objectives. And most importantly, what is administration? Administration means all these, the activities, their total activities they have undertaken to accomplish their predetermined goals. Okay, first of all, we need an organization, then we need the management that guides and leads the organization, and most important and the last is administration. The powerful, effective, systematic administration should be there in an organization to accomplish their predetermined objectives. Okay. Simply we can say that administration set the goals. Administration set the goals. The management, what they do? They strive or they try or they work their better to attain that goals. Management strives to attain their goals. And organization means what? This is the machine of the management. But what do you mean by machine of the management? By using that organization, or organization includes what? Organization includes that working space, their infrastructure, their systematic and effective arrangement, then people, okay, their resources, etc. are included in this section, that is the organization. Organization means what? It is the machine of the management for attaining their goals. Okay, simply we here discuss the main differences between the three terms. What? Organization, management and administration. What is administration? Administration is the force, or administration set the goals by which the management strives to attain the goals through the organization, or through the resources, through the human beings, through the working space and effective and the systematic arrangement of this organization. The management strive to attain the goals, their predetermined desired ends they have to accomplish through the powerful and systematic administration. That is the major difference between these two terms. These three terms, administration, management and organization. That is all about the difference between administration, organization and this management. Okay. Then this organization means what? This organization is between the management and the administration. Okay, this organization is the bridge through which the administration and management, their coordination is established. Okay, the organization is the bridge, or organization is the media, or organization is the machinery through which the coordination of remaining two, that is administration and management, is established. Organization, so we can define organization as the machinery through which the coordination between these administration and management happens to accomplish their goals. That is the next section, that is administration, organization and management, second session.